Hello guys, I just hope everyone is doing well because I'm also fine. So in this lesson guys, I'll be doing a quadratic sequence, finding the general equation. So finding that general equation guys, remember, just know this equation there. Starting from here until there, you are solving A, B, C. Once you know those equations, you are a genius. So let's just go ahead guys. This thing there, it's a first term, that's a second term, that's a fourth term, this one there, it's a third term there. Do you see? So now what I will do, I'll just find my I will find my first term there, my first different. Right subtract by left, even here it's right subtract by left there. So even as well as this one there, it's right subtract by left. So if I can press these two things down on my calculator, this is what I should get them. Meaning here I should get -6. Then what about for this one, 14 subtract by this. So this one I will get -4. Then even as well as this one there, this subtract by this. So also this one there I got -2. So that pattern, by the way, as you can see, it is decreasing there. Do you see it is decreasing by this number? Starting from there, it's decreasing by 6 to 14. From 14, it decreased by -4 to 10. Then from 10, from 10, guys, it decreased by -2 to 8. Do you see? So, but that thing, guys, don't worry about it now. That thing, it will help you for the next session. So now let's just find a second different. You just say right subtract by by left there. And when you subtract that left, it must be inside a bracket because it's negative. Even as well as this subtract by left, it must be inside a bracket there. So now let me just press my calculator. This is what I should get. Okay, I get 2. Then what about for the second one? So for this one, I also get 2. This thing there, it represents a second difference, which is now my second difference. It's represented by this equation. Even as well as this one, it's represented by this equation. But now my first term, it's represented by this equation then. So now what I can do, I can go straight forward to those equations, then I solve. I got this equation. So where there is this thing that I will put 2. Then I just solve the value for A there. What is in front from what I need? I will divide by it so that it get cancelled. Here I will left with 1 there. Do you see? So after doing that, I can just come now for this one there, which is 3A plus B, which is equal to what? The first term there. So meaning now the value for A there is this one. Then again, now for the first difference there, it's -6. And now what I will do guys, I'll just solve that B. I'll drop this one, then I'll simplify this one. So these two things that they give me this one there, when I drop them, this thing guys, it's B, not 6. This one it's 6. Do you see? There is a difference guys between these two things. This one there it's B, this one there it's -6. And now what I can do, I can take this thing to the other side, drop these two things there. So this one, they will come and change the sign, meaning the value for B then, the value for B will become as -9. Do you see? Yeah. So now I know the value for AB. I can just come to this equation now. So I know the A, this one it's A. Then I know the B, this one it's B. Then for the first term guys, it's there. From the sequence there, then you substitute it here, then you just solve C there. This I can simplify, but these I can drop them. So let's just simplify this thing there, it's something like this. These two things there, they give me -8. Then take this thing guys to the other side, drop this one, so like this. That thing there, when it comes to the other side, you change the sign and you will end up having 28 there. Do you see? So please guys, take note guys, when you are solving there, you are trying to make that C to be alone. Here you are making C to be alone, even as well as here we're making B to be alone here. Do you see? Actually, that one guys, it's an algebra. If that one you don't get it, make sure that you revise your algebra. Go back guys, go to algebra or solve for X guys. Make sure you know that one, because if you don't know it, there is no way guys that you will understand this thing. So now I can find the what? The general equation now. Which is my general equation? It will be in this form. So where there is A, where is A? That's 1. And now where there is B, that's -9. And now where there is C, there is 28 there. Just like this there. Do you see? So this one, it's a general equation there. Do you see? Yeah. So coming now for the last question. For the last question, guys, it's so easy. So let's just find this thing there. This is how you do it, guys. Right subtract by left, right subtract by left, right subtract by left. You only look the numbers which are next to each other. Don't go and check that one, guys. No, don't do that. That thing there, guys, is for the failures there. And you are not a failure, guys, because I'm your teacher, guys. You know. So now I can just separate this there, which is this thing there, it's 1. Then for this one there, this there it's -2. Then for this one there, obviously that 0 there will disappear. Then I can just go like this there. This subtract by this, and right subtract by left. Then for this one it's right subtract by left there. Your left, if it's negative, it must be inside a bracket there. And now I can just press this thing there on my calculator. So pressing this thing, guys, on your calculator, this is what you should get them. That's -3. Then for this one, also this one, it's supposed to give you -3 as well. Do you see? So this thing, guys, what does it represent? This one, they represent A2. But this one, they represent 3A plus B. Then for this one, they represent A plus B plus C, which is this thing there. It's a first term, that's a second term, that's a third term, that's a fourth term. Do you see? Yeah. So I can go now and solve those values here. So what is in front from what I need, divide by it. There. Do you see? Remember, guys, this thing there, it is coming from this equation. Do not get confused. What did I do here? This is what I did. So now just say this, they cancel. Our A there, it's -3/2. Yeah. Just use that thing in fraction form there. Don't put it in decimal. Just use it the way it is. And now you can just go to this equation, which is here. It's a first different, which is our first term there. It's this one. Our A, by the way, not first term, our A. And now for this one there, it's 1. Then solving that B, I can simplify these two things there. This one is supposed to give me -9/2, because this will only multiply upwards there. Anything which is not a fraction, when it multiplies to a fraction, it goes upwards, meaning they will got -9. And this one, I will drop them. Do you see? Take this thing there to the other side. Our B there will be this 9/2, meaning the value for B. Then for this one, I don't want to be a genius too much, guys. Let me just use my calculator, because here you're supposed to get 11/2 there. So so this is what I'm talking about, guys. This thing there, it's 11/2. You see? So now let's go and solve for C. Solving for C, it's like this term, which is plus C, which is the first term there. Now let's substitute, guys, for this thing there. It's 3/2 plus 11/2 plus C, which is now our first term. Our first term, according to the sequence, that's 6. That is 6, guys. And now let me simplify these two things and drop those one, meaning those one, they will be like this. Then if I can simplify these two things, they are supposed to get 4 there, +4. So let me just try to confirm my answer there, meaning this thing there, it's something like this, and say plus 11, okay, 11/2, close. Yeah, they're supposed to get 4. Take this thing there to the other side, drop this one. So these things there, they become, this thing there, it's 2. Do you see? So now I know my values. I know this value, I know this value, I also know this one. I can just go to the main equation. This one there, it's our main equation there. So where there is A, I'll substitute 3/2 n squared. And now where there is B, I'll substitute 11/2 n there. And now where there is C, I'll just substitute +2. Meaning this one there, it's a final equation there. Do you see? This equation, guys, it is the one that generates the sequence there. You can even try to confirm your answer there. Try to see that are you correct or are you wrong. Something like this then. So which is this thing, it's plus 2. So now let me check this thing. My first term, if I can substitute 1 there as my first term, what will I get there? If I don't get it, guys, it means I made a mistake somewhere. Okay, it's correct. So if there it's 2, then if it's 2, let's come there and check it there. If it's 2, okay, yeah, it's correct, guys, with no doubt there. For the fact that I'm able to get the second term correct, it means that equation, guys, it's correct there. Do you see? Yeah. So just like that there. So finding out the general equation for the quadratic sequence, it's easy only if you know this equation. Only if you know this equation. So these, guys, it's a difference between these 3 sequences. These are the 3 sequences that you should know, which are easy, all of them. You see? Yeah. So thank you, guys, for your time. All the best in your studies. God bless you.